Challenge. And he's got a bit of weight behind him, don't worry.
Well, the wife's here today. Give me a bit of good luck.
Sweet to the nose. So, let me get on. I only know this from listening yesterday. This is 750 5-speed pre-unit Triumph in a
Slimline frame.
Is it Norton chassis?
Yeah, it's a 1960 Slimline. So it's a Dommi 600 originally. The chassis is as bad as the bike is concerned.
And you were saying this thing's a little bit of a labour of love for you. You've had it a long time.
Hell of a long time. I've been divorced, homeless, and I actually met my wife on a blind date while riding this. So the second time around, yeah. She'd marry a second wife first.
And you're still tinkering with it?
Yeah, definitely. It never stops. It's I'll think it's until I die.
And do you ride it? It's always on the road. It's quite.
Well, for many years, it was 30 years. It was my only bike until I bought a modern one a few years ago. Whatever the weather, and it's filthy. It's filthy now. I think give it a bit of a clean, like, but yeah, bit by bit, it's a never-ending labour of love. And if I could find a Vincent engine, I'd stick one of them in there.
Yeah. You won't find one of them cheap?
No, not at all. Unfortunately, no. I did about 20-30 grand for a new one. I did fancy the nice Norton in the auction earlier online, but yeah, no, it'll never end. It's the ultimate TRITON, as I like to say. I always wanted a MANX Norton, and the best I could manage, really. So. But this is as far as the MANX.
Well done, you're as happy as anybody in this place. Yeah, well done. Round of applause, please.